Hey everybody, it's John with Bridges. I am just going to give you a quick presentation on how we are going to be using Google for Yasbiz to help everyone stay in contact together, to help us use the same calendar, and to help everyone be able to add their own events, which will show up on the website, to be able to let everyone know that we're going to events, really just help us stay in touch with each other and stuff like that. So first thing we're going to do is open up Google. Okay, so www.google.com for those of you who do not know. We're going to click sign in over here. What we've decided to do is use one email address that I've created called main.yasbiz.gmail.com. The password is, well, I'll let you know the password when I see you. You're going to click sign in after you type the password in. And you're going to know you're signed in when it says main Yasbiz up here. All right. So first things first, the Google Calendar that we're all sharing, because we're signed in under that one name, is actually going to show up on our website, which I'm just going to go to it really quick, yasbiz.com. So now when you click calendar on Yasbiz, the Google Calendar that I'm about to show you how to add something to will pop up. And you can cycle through it and see the different events. And as you hover over the events, actually click on them, sorry, it's going to give you the description. You can copy it to your own calendar if you have another Google Calendar. More details. Okay, I'm just going to close that. All right, so I'm going to X that out. So I'm going to go back to Google for a second, and we're going to hit calendar. So now you want to add something for your agency that's going to show up on the Yasbiz website. So now we're inside the main.yasbiz calendar. Now if you notice over here on the left hand side, I've added calendars for every single agency that is currently a part of Yasbiz. So now say I wanted to add something, and I'm part of Bridges, so I would add something to the Bridges calendar. So I would actually go, say on the 15th, I'm going to say edit event. So I just clicked on the 15th once. Now the event, I'm going to call it fishing. I'll just call it fishing. Okay. It's not all day. We're going to start at 8:30 a.m. and we're going to go till 10:30. Do not come on Thursday. This is a false and fake and not a real event. So where is it going to be held? We're going to say Lighthouse Park in North Haven, Connecticut. In the description, fishing for fun. Okay, now the calendar over here, if I just click save, it's going to save it to the Yasbiz main calendar, which I've made that, I mean, that's the name of our email address, but mainly advisory meetings and stuff like that that kind of have to do with everybody would be placed on that one, which maybe Alan would be updating. But I'm going to put it on the Bridges calendar because it's the Bridges event. I also might want to put down here in the description, everyone is welcome. Let us know if you can make it. All right. So now if it was a weekly event, I can actually click repeat over here, and this box pops up. And I could say it's weekly, or maybe it's daily, it's monthly, it's yearly. I can say it repeats on every Thursday and Friday. I'm going to erase Friday. It starts on this date, which is the date we picked to begin with. It ends on, I can pick April, let's see, April for 1 year, say April 26, 2013, and I'm done. I'm going to click cancel because I don't want that. But anyways, when I click save, it's going to add fishing here on the 15th. Now it's green because Bridges is labeled green over here. So now if I click the little box, the little green box on Bridges, it's going to erase, because now I'm not viewing Bridges' calendar. As you can see, it's now white. ABD, it would turn white. CMHA, it turns white. When I hover over it, it shows you what color it should be. So I can re-click those. All right. So basically, now I added fishing over here. Now if we go back up here to our calendar on our website, and I go back to March, it's not here yet on the 15th. However, if I click refresh up here at the top, fishing is now added. So it's instant. So if you add it in the Google Calendar under your calendar for your agency, it's going to pop up on the website now. So that's pretty cool. It's very usable. All right, so that's that. Now Google has a whole bunch of stuff we can kind of keep growing into. One thing that we might want to grow into faster is documents. So Google has documents just like Microsoft Word. So over here you can create a document like a Word document, presentation like PowerPoint, spreadsheet like Excel. You can create a form, a drawing, a table, and a collection. I don't really know what that is. Maybe just a collection of files? I'm not sure. However, we're still logged in, if you notice, under main Yasbiz. So everyone would use and see these documents. So I can create a document, which I've already done just for showing you guys. I'm going to click it. It's called Meeting Agenda. Now, Meeting Agenda pops up in File. You can share it. You can create a new document or presentation. You can open something. You can upload something from Microsoft Word, and it'll save it as a Google document. But anyways, you never have to click Save, because if you type something, it's saved automatically. It's already saved. So that's a pretty cool feature of Google Documents. Now, how could we use this and make it super usable? Well, down here I have lake compounds, which is going to be coming up. How many people from your program can make this event? Now, as an example, 5, Bridges has 5, CMHA is 0, because maybe they didn't find out yet. Now, this is a Google Doc, right? Now, if we went over, and I have this exact document connected to our website, and I'll show you what I mean. So if I click Agenda, which is a new page I just kind of added for just showing you guys, over here says Agenda. Click here to view the agenda for 3/12/12 and the RSVP for lake compounds. So if I click it, now I could be anybody who's visiting our site, because no one's going to visit our site unless it's us. It's really how it works out at the moment. We could also have a password protected site, so only people in the agencies can view this, and I'll show you why we don't want everyone to have access to it. When I click it, this opens up. Now, you do not have to be logged into Google to see this. You just need the link. Now, if you're CMHA, you can actually say 5 people can come and change it. But just by clicking that link, clicking that, saying 5. Now you can close that window. Now, if you go to your Google Docs over here and you reopen Meeting Agenda, you're going to notice that CMHA now says 5, because it was updated and saved instantly. So, so we can actually keep count and keep tallies of who can make things. So all of a sudden, funding didn't come through. 0 people can make it. All you got to do is close it. Just change it, close it. Now, when someone's on our website, like over here, actually, let me just go there one more time. And they go over to this agenda page, and they click this link again. They're going to scroll down, and they're going to see CRMHC is now at 0. So it's a very cool way, I think, that we can maybe use to tell people who are coming and just to update this ongoing thing where anyone can update it. Now, we do have to come up with a way for a password protect or something just for the website for this particular page. But anyways, it's pretty powerful. So that is the Google experience for right now, and mainly to get our calendar changeable by everybody and to give everyone a specific calendar through main.yasbiz@gmail.com, which is the key. All right. Well, everyone, Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon.